It's another, as I always say, beautiful day here at Las Conchas del Mar at our build site. People are out walking, strolling on the beach, just enjoying the morning sunshine, just the same as we went out and had our morning coffee out at the beach. It's a wonderful, wonderful day. Very clear skies as you see right now. Well, it's a Monday. Time to start back the work week again, make more progress. That'll be our project today, is get this concrete poured. One of the things I've got to do before then is this. So right here there's a cutout, and right there there's a cutout, and I screwed them back in there over the weekend for safety of anybody, animals, creatures, people, anything falling in there, get hurt, step around here in the dark. But this is going to be our manholes, our service entrance right there and right there. Okay, so what I've got to do today is I've got to take and make a form on top of these two manhole covers that will be a angled in around the edge, tapered in lid, that when we pour the tank, we'll pour in that angle, and then after we pour the tank, I'll remove those forms out of there. We'll line it around the edge of that hole with some plastic, and then we'll pour the lid afterwards as well. So that's what I'm going to work on this morning, is taking some narrow strips of wood, cutting angles on them, screwing together a little form, and have it ready for us two removable manhole covers right there. You gotta go this way, bro. This way. Yeah. So everybody's here now. We're getting the day started. Mike and I, we've been pulling a level line here both directions, coming from down there where the cement will begin there, cross section it right here, and letting it join. So we got us a level line. We put a small, and I mean a small drop in it overall, so the water will always shed off towards the grass here in the backyard. Guys here jump right back on finishing out this, because they finished the front but they have not yet finished the back. So they're going to go through now and get that plastered. Let's see, what are you making this morning already?
Well, it's just a simple dish. It's just a fish.
A fish?
Yeah.
Man, you got that thing seasoned up good.
Yeah, lots of spice.
I see tomatoes, I see garlic, I see onions,
Ginger.
Is there some chives in there?
Yeah, chives.
And I saw you put bay leaves just now.
Yeah.
What else is in there?
Some spice. I think, what is it? Parsley, you know? I don't know.
Man, boy, it smells good.
Vinegar and soy sauce.
Of course, soy sauce. Of course, soy sauce. Let's see if this is right. Maybe it's too long. No, that's correct. That's the way I want it. That's what we want right there. Okay, go. This forms that's already been used many times. We just keep cutting down these pieces smaller and smaller and smaller. Some of you can see is getting pretty decayed now. And so I said, even your scraps you can use to the very end. Don't throw them away. You never know every little piece what you're going to need until the end. So we're still gathering up scraps. That's a good one right there. And cutting them up, making form pieces. So we have this turned upside down right now. What you see up here is actually the bottom. This would be tapered. As you see, it's tapered all in, just like if you was making a pyramid. And that way, when this is turned up the right direction and sets down in the hole, it seals. I can even buy a rubber foam gasket and put it around it if I want. I could go in there and take a masonry blade, score that cement, and embed a seal if I really want to keep trash and debris out. So we're going to put the bottom of it on now and screw it, and this one will be done. We got the pieces made for the next one, and we'll put them together and get them on the tank and ready to pour cement. But the problem is, wait, look at that. Joel is carrying that. What? What? Oh my God. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Joel, you okay? Did the coconut hit you? Huh? Shoot. Man. It's the first time ever. It's the first time ever. Man. No more easy street? Man. So you see that, the apron girl down there? Yeah. The apron girl. AKA outdoor Filipino kitchen ninja. Never ever stops cooking. Of course, we know what's underneath lid number 1.
Yes,
Boom. Rice. Rice. Underneath lid number 2, we have these fish that's been cooked down in the vegetables. Underneath lid number 3, we have, what is that, the white fish that's been butterflied? They're a little different than the white fish. Which one was that? What's the name of that fish?
Balanchong.
Alrighty, what she said. I'll just say that again.
Balanchong.
Yeah, exactly what she said. There it is, all fried up, ready for James to eat. Lid number 4. We got cucumber, tomato, onion. Does it have vinegar?
No.
No vinegar
I'm
yet?
just letting you to.
Are you gonna let me be the one? Man, probably the only healthy thing here, right there. And then, underneath lid number 5, we have shrimp cooked in butter and what? Butter and what?
Butter and garlic. That's it.
Butter and garlic, right there. And do I dare open this lid?
Yes, yeah.
And what's underneath this lid? I'm kind of scared.
Magic.
Oh, oh, yeah, the favorite of the Filipino, the paste. Woo! And let's put that lid right back on. I thought that we were looking for a dead frog today. I found the dead frog. It's right here. Wow, man. And then lid number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have tanigi, right?
Yes, tanigi.
Yeah, we have grilled tanigi. And then down here, serving your food today is the little lollipop king.